What if you could fire your boss, smash your alarm clock, and completely erase your daily commute? Forever. What if, instead of your boring 9 to 5, you were earning this much every single month from literally anywhere in the world? For thousands of people in 2025, this isn't a dream. It's their new life. They are quitting their jobs for something completely different, and the top earners are pulling in $10,000 a month, many without a college degree. You've probably heard people whispering about faceless YouTube channels and crazy new jobs like prompt engineers, and you've wondered if it's all fake. Well, in this video, I'm not just going to tell you it's real. I'm going to show you the exact AI side hustles that are making this happen. I'll give you the tools, the step-by-step strategies, and the blueprint that can take you from feeling trapped to building your own AI empire. Look, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is the biggest shift in how we work, and if you're not paying attention, you are going to be left in the dust. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you how you can start right now. The end of the road for the 9 to 5? Let's be real. The traditional career is a broken promise. We were all told the same thing. Get good grades, go to college, find a safe job, and waste 40 years climbing a ladder. For what? A tiny pension and 2 weeks of vacation? We were sold a dream, but we got a nightmare. We sit in Zoom meetings that should have been an email. We have bosses who don't value us, and we spend our best hours building someone else's dream. You get a paycheck, but you feel empty. It's like running on a treadmill. You're always tired, but you're going nowhere. I know exactly what this feels like because I lived it. A few years ago, I was trapped in that exact same loop. I had the good job my parents wanted me to have, but every Sunday night, I would feel sick, dreading the week. I was trading my entire life for a paycheck that was gone as soon as it hit my bank account. I was living for the weekend and always asking myself, is this seriously it? I was just a tiny cog in a giant machine, and I felt worthless. And then, boom, AI hit the world. Headlines were screaming that robots were coming for all our jobs. We saw AI writing articles, creating insane art, and even coding. Everyone was terrified. But a small group of people saw something different. They didn't see a threat, they saw an escape plan. They realized if AI could do all this, it wasn't here to replace us. It was here to make us superhuman. You don't have to be a genius to use it. You just have to be smart. You could use these insane new tools to do the work of a whole team, right from your laptop. This is the moment everything flipped from AI is stealing our jobs to AI is my ticket to freedom. This is how the AI gig was born. The ultimate AI gig, faceless YouTube automation. So what's one of the biggest gigs that's letting people work from anywhere? It's YouTube automation, specifically something called faceless channels. Forget everything you think you know about being a YouTuber. You don't need a crazy camera, you don't need to be a celebrity, and you do not need to show your face. A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. A channel that makes amazing videos without a single person on screen. Think about those insane history documentary channels or channels that explain crazy science topics. These are usually run by one person, not a giant company, and with AI, one person can run 10 of them. Here's the blueprint. It's a simple 3-step factory you can run with AI. First, the script. You used to have to be an amazing writer. Now, AI is your script writer. Let's say you want a channel about philosophy. You can literally tell ChatGPT, write me a 1,500-word YouTube script about the Stoic idea of amor fati. Make it an epic story and give me examples for today. In minutes, you have a script that's 90% done. Your job is to fact-check it and add your own flavor. Second, the voiceover. You used to need a professional radio voice. Now, you use a tool like ElevenLabs. These AI tools create voiceovers that sound 100% human. You can pick from tons of voices or even make a custom one for your channel. You just paste your script, click a button, and you have a perfect audio file. The excuse of not having a good voice is gone. Third, the visuals. This used to be the hardest part. You needed to be an animator or a video editor. Now, there's AI for that. With MidJourney, you can create any image you can imagine with a text prompt. For our philosophy video, you could type an epic photo of a Roman philosopher watching a sunset over the Colosseum, cinematic oil painting style. For video clips, tools like Runway or Google Veo can read your script and find or create video clips for you. You take these 3 things, script, voiceover, and visuals, and you drop them into a simple video editor, add music, and upload. That's the entire process. And the best part? YouTube is free and has billions of users. If you pick a good niche and upload consistently, the algorithm does the work for you. You can make money from ads, affiliate links, and merch. This thing is so scalable. Once you have a system, you can make videos in hours, not weeks. This is how normal people are stacking their income and pushing for that $10,000 a month goal. It's not magic. It's a system. Beyond YouTube, the new world of freelance AI services. YouTube is amazing, but at the same time, there's a huge explosion in freelance services. creating jobs that didn't even exist 2 years ago. If you want to get paid directly for a skill, becoming an AI freelancer is your golden ticket. The demand for these skills is skyrocketing, and there aren't enough people to do the work. The craziest new role is the AI prompt engineer ***. It sounds super technical, but it just means you're an expert at talking to AI. A prompt engineer knows the perfect words to type into ChatGPT or MidJourney to get amazing results. Businesses are realizing that the results they get from AI are only as good as the prompts they write. A great prompt engineer saves a company thousands of dollars. On sites like Upwork, good prompt engineers are charging $100 to over $200 an hour. Some are even selling prompt packs and making passive income. With just a few clients, you can make a ridiculous amount of money. Next is the AI-powered content creator ***. Every single business needs blog posts, social media, and newsletters. This used to take forever. Today, one freelance writer with AI can do the work of 5 people. Using ChatGPT for ideas, Grammarly for editing, and other tools for SEO, a single person can pump out high-quality articles like a machine. This means you can take on way more clients. Some of the best freelance writers using this AI workflow are earning up to $8,000 a month because they're faster and better than anyone else. Finally, there's the **AI automation specialist. This is for anyone who loves building systems. Businesses waste so much time on repetitive tasks: answering emails, scheduling posts, data entry. An AI automation specialist uses simple no-code tools like Zapier to build robots that do all that work automatically. You could build a system that reads a customer's email, uses AI to write a perfect reply, and adds them to a spreadsheet, all without anyone doing anything. This is so valuable. You're not just saving a business time, you're saving them huge amounts of money. The Scalable Empire, digital products, and AI tutoring. The third way to make money in the AI economy is the biggest of all: creating and selling your own digital products. This is the final boss, because your income is no longer tied to your time. You build it once, and it can make you money 24/7, even while you're sleeping. AI has made this 100 times easier. Think about writing an ebook. That used to be a huge project. Now, AI can help with every single step. You can use ChatGPT to outline the entire book and write the first drafts. You can use MidJourney to design an incredible cover. You can even use AI to write the ad copy to sell it. All of a sudden, launching a product is a weekend project, not a year-long nightmare. People are selling AI-made ebooks, workout plans, and templates on sites like Gumroad, creating income streams that just keep growing. Beyond that, everyone wants to learn this stuff, which created the **AI tutor, or consultant***. You don't have to be the has-shown AI expert in the world to teach it. You just need to be 2 steps ahead of your audience. If you figured out how to use MidJourney to create a children's book, someone will pay you to learn how. You could create a short online course, host a paid online class, or do one-on-one coaching. A single online course can generate thousands of dollars a month, and consulting is even more. The best part is, the more you learn, the more you have to teach. It's an endless cycle of growth. Why this beats a traditional job? Hands down. So, why is everyone ditching their jobs for this? Because a 9-to-5 can't possibly compete. First, the old rules are gone. The old world cared about your degree and your resume. The new AI economy only cares if you're curious and willing to learn. You don't need to know how to code. You can start a YouTube channel or a Fiverr profile for free. This levels the playing field for everyone. Your future isn't decided by your past. It's decided by your creativity. Second is insane flexibility and freedom. These AI gigs are all remote. You can do them from your bedroom, a coffee shop, or a beach. You set your own hours. If you want to work all night, you can. If you have kids, you can work while they're at school. You escape the 9-to-5 prison and design your perfect life. AI automates all the boring stuff, so you can focus on being creative and making more money in less time. Your starter pack for this new world is super simple. You need ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, ** for scripts and ideas, ** MidJourney, or DALL-E, ** for images, ** ElevenLabs, ** for voiceovers, ** Canva, ** for design, and a profile on ** YouTube, Fiverr, or Upwork, **. That's your entire business. And you can start for less than the cost of a pizza. The realistic path to $10,000 a month? Okay, let's talk about the number you clicked for, $10,000 a month. Is it actually possible? Yes, but it is not going to happen overnight, and it's not guaranteed. This isn't the lottery. You have to build it. Let's do the math. To hit $10,000 a month as a freelancer, you could get 4 clients paying you $2,500 a month, or 8 clients paying $1,000 $250. If you charge $75 an hour, you only need to work 33 hours a week. That's less than a full-time job. For a writer, that's 20 articles a month at $500 each. With AI, that is completely possible. For a faceless YouTube channel, it's a numbers game. On the low end, you might make $5 for every 1,000 views. To make $10,000 a month from ads, you need 2 million views. That sounds massive, but one viral video can get you there. Or, more realistically, 20 good videos, each getting 100,000 views a month, gets you there. You start with your first video, then your 10th, then your 100th. The growth gets faster and faster. Making your first $100 is the hardest part. Getting to $1,000 is easier, and then you just keep scaling. Consistency is everything. If you're serious about this, I'm going to be doing deep dives on all of these AI gigs, with tutorials and secrets you won't find anywhere else. So subscribe right now and turn on notifications. This isn't just a trend, it's the literal future of work, and you are still early. We are at a turning point in history. The old world of work is dying, and in its place, a new economy is being built on the insane power of AI. This new world doesn't care about your background. It rewards creativity, speed, and the guts to learn something new. We've covered the three main paths into this world: the insane content machine of faceless YouTube channels, the high-demand world of freelance AI services, and the total freedom of selling digital products. Each one is a blueprint to escape the 9-to-5 and take back control of your life and your money. The question is no longer times, if times AI will change the world, but times how, times you will use it. Are you going to be left behind, clinging to a job that's about to disappear? Or are you going to grab these tools and start building your own future? The choice is yours. The tools are right here. The blueprint is in your hands. If you're ready to stop trading your time for money and start building an empire, I put together a free guide with the top 5 AI tools you can use to make your first $1,000 online. The link is in the description. Download it, start playing with it, and take the first step. Your future self will thank you.